So, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Morning.
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, we will start. So, in our last class, actually, we had just one project which is going on, and that project is also available in Kaggle. And the Kaggle, we have taken a reference and the data set, everything that we have brought from Kaggle. So that is heart disease prediction and what was our objective. So for this, we will implement whatever we have known the machine learning algorithms. So in this way, we have what? In this way, we have implemented a logistic regression algorithm. In logistic regression algorithm that already we had studied, testing accuracy is 83% and training accuracy. So newly, first time in our last class that we had calculated. Similarly, already under classification approach, we had studied logistic regression, then support vector machine, decision tree, and random forest. So whatever we have known this algorithm we will implement over our problem task. So in our last class already this part we have seen. So after what splitting our data set into training and testing data. So target column is my y value and upper target column, whatever the columns of data set or of our data frame df, that is x. So after splitting, so always, so we will see print xtrain. What is the value of xtrain and what is the value? This is xtrain data. 220 rows into 13 columns is training data, xtrain data. And what is the testing data? Print x underscore testing data. This is the testing data, 91 rows into 13 number of columns. As we have known, so whatever we will create the model, now we will create support vector classifier or SVM model. So SVM model we will create and we will, or the SVM model will predict. So SVM will predict over testing data for testing accuracy. But in our this is the X test data. This is X test data. Okay, so whatever the model will predict, we will find the testing accuracy. Similarly, again, we will find the training accuracy also by invoking accuracy score within the bracket y train and y predicted. That means whatever we will create the model will predict over X train data, then the model will predict over X test data. So whatever we will get the output or result or predicted output, then we will find the accuracy. Yes, clear? I hope everybody is understanding. So I will create support vector machine. Create. Understanding, give a response.
Yes, sir.
Logistic in my last class, simple logistic regression I had implemented and I got this output model training accuracy in percentage, testing accuracy in percentage. Output that we have presented in the form of a data frame. So data is what a string value logistic regression, then 0.863208, then 0.835165. 0.863208 is the value of train score. That means my training accuracy that I have assigned in a variable. Let the output variable is train underscore score. Similarly, testing accuracy value that I have assigned in a output variable. Let the variable name is test underscore score. Now create support vector machine. Let's create SVM model. So we know that how to create a support vector machine. Just you recall or you open your note, you see your note. Okay, so there is a SVC, support vector classifier, from sklearn dot svm import SVC. SVC is a class name. So I will declare an object of SVC. This is support vector machine model. Okay, so regarding this part, already we have studied. Okay, so after object declaration, so representing that object representing support vector machine model, that representing SVM model. So SVM model is that is OBJ. So there is a built-in class. The built-in class name is SVC. So that built-in class coming from sklearn.svm. Sklearn is a module. If I will consider SVM will be the sub module, and inside SVM there is a class available. Name of the class is SVC. That class I imported. And we know that in supervised machine learning or in all machine learning context, so the corresponding class object, that means support vector classifier object representing SVM model. So after creating the model, we will train the model. So obj.fit function. So within fit function, we know that I will write xtrain, y train. Then after fit, okay, so now the model is trained. So this is trained SVM model. Trained SVM model. So after model becoming intelligent, after model becoming fit, model will predict. But here we will find both training accuracy and testing accuracy. If I will find training accuracy, then model will predict over what? Over X train. Then model will predict over X text, that is testing accuracy. Okay, so now I will find out, suppose, so now let it y underscore predicted equals to, okay, so model name is obj dot predict. So predict function within a bracket, I will write xtrain, because x is my input, independent variable or input variable. So input variable x categorized as xtrain, xtest, but y categorized as ytrain and ytest. So xtrain plus xtest equals to x. Okay, so handiro pratyek bhato hela x all. ता भितरु मु जो 4-5टी भात को आनिली चिपिकी देखिबी ए भात हेइछि कि नाही, दैट इज एक्स टेस्ट. आउ जहा रहला सब सेटा सब एक्स ट्रेन. Your all are x, all are x. जो 4-5टी भात को आनिक चिपे देखिले हाँ वर्तमान भात हे गलानी सेई 4-5टा भात होची एक्स टेस्ट and remaining we can consider as x trend. Clear? So now what is the value of y underscore prediction? So this is the y prediction results. So 1 means candidate having heart disease, 0 means candidate having no heart disease. Similarly, I will find the y prediction, y predicted, y prediction equals to, okay, suppose model name is obj dot predict function. So within predict function, I will write x test. So what is the value of y? So this is the y prediction results. So test over x test data model predicted. That means if the input, this is test data. If the inputs, sorry, this is the test data. This is the input. If this is input, if this is input, this and this. So if these are the input 71, 0, 145, 174, 0, 1, 125, 1, 2.6003. If these are the inputs, if these inputs we are providing to the model or we are feeding, then first output is 0. That means the candidate having no heart disease. That is a 2, whatever the input I provided, that is a 225 index number of rows. So this is X test. Similarly, this is X trend output. Suppose first output is 1. So which is what is X trend? This is X trend 137 index number of rows. If this is the input 62, 1, 1, 128, 208, 10, 140, 0, 0.0, then 202. If these are the inputs, if these inputs we are fitting or we are providing to the model, then what the model provided the output, model provided the output that is 1. That means candidate having heart disease. So I hope everybody got clarity. Give a response. So over
Yes.
X trend, yes, by taking X trend data, model is predicting, and by taking X test data, model is also predicting. Now I will find the accuracy, both training accuracy and testing accuracy. Okay, so we know that. So what is the meaning of training accuracy? If my requirement is to find the accuracy, then I have to import a built-in function that is accuracy underscore score from sklearn. Okay, dot matrix import accuracy underscore score. Okay, so if I can write train accuracy, train underscore accuracy. Suppose let it variable. Already I have written, I think here. This is variable test score and train score. It is variable. But so we will write. We will call a function accuracy underscore score is a built-in function. So if this is my training accuracy line, so I will take y train, then y prediction. So for trend data, y prediction means y underscore PRED I have written. So y underscore PRED. So this is my training accuracy. Similarly, if I will write test accuracy equals to accuracy underscore score accuracy underscore score is a function. So if I will find the testing accuracy, so y underscore test, so already it is given, and what the model predicted, this is y prediction. Now I will hit it. So sorry, print, I have not written print train accuracy. So test accuracy. So SVM is very poor performance, 66 to 67%. ताले ये एल्गोरिथम ये टास्क पे नुहे बहुत ही कम एक्यूरेसी आसुचे. तो बेसिकली टेस्टिंग एक्यूरेसी टा मिनिमम 90% एबव आसिया करता है. टेस्टिंग एक्यूरेसी टा मिनिमम इट शुड बी 90% एबव. गाइस 1 मिनट भाई 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 कौन करबी, सॉरी क्षमा करियो भाई, टिके कौन करबा, टिके व्यस्त अछि मु, भाई तो अछि मु काई टेंशन नै. ए क्लास चलछि, मशीन लर्निंग रो प्रोजेक्ट क्लास चलछि. हम तुम पठेइ दिले सब सब. हाँ सब पठेइ एमटेक रो माने पूरा सब माने जो सीएलसी तापरे बोर्ड सर्टिफिकेट एमटेक रो बीटेक रो सब पठेइ दिले. ऑल सब तम जो से जो येटा से जो फिलअप जो हितला जो अपलोड करा हितला जो तमरो एनआईटा जो वेबसाइट रो. हाँ अगर तुम मेल ऐड दियो मु सीधा सब संगे संगे पठेइ देबी नले. ओ समय पारुनी से पांचटा जाय ठाकी जाय जाऊ जायनी मु पठेइ कोने आड से बस्ती. आज आज पठा दउछ मु एते व्यस्त रहउछ सब मु एबे सरीबो 12 टा क्लास सरीबो ओ सब डॉक्यूमेंट आ से जो पांचटा चैप्टर तुम पठा दउछ तरे तुम मेल आईडी के लिए मतलब व्हाट्सएप. हां सब पठा दउछ तुम मेल सब पठा दे. So 60 testing accuracy minimum 90% जदि न आसुचे तले से एल्गोरिथम से टेस्ट में फिट नहीं. तो हमें देखिले जे सपोर्ट वेक्टर मशीन एल्गोरिथम पकेले टेस्टिंग एक्यूरेसी 67% बारजे और ट्रेनिंग एक्यूरेसी 66% बारजे. देखिले तांकर कोन हिची तांकर कोन 93% आसी टेस्टिंग एंड 87% आसी. तो सपोज हम पूरे डाटा फ्रेम रे सजेइबा कंप्लीट हियर. सपोज results underscore df underscore 1. सपोज मु गोटे डाटा फ्रेम तयारी करूची से जो टेबुलर ए भली आउटपुट देखिया ए भली आउटपुट देखिया दिस टाइप ऑफ आउटपुट ए भली आउटपुट देखिया पे. तो गोटे डाटा फ्रेम नाउ I created a data frame. Let my data frame name is results underscore df underscore 1 pd dot data frame function. So data equals to it जेमिति मु लास्ट क्लास रे बुझाइतिले एटा जेमिति मु लिखिचे तो डिटो सेमति लिखाइचे. So within double quote I have written support vector machine data माने the value asila support vector machine within double quote it is a string value. Then train score the value of training accuracy ta mo lekhiche train underscore accuracy. And for testing accuracy the testing accuracy result that have assigned in test accuracy. Then columns equals to model training accuracy percentage testing accuracy percentage. So what is the value of results underscore df underscore 1? Results underscore df underscore 1. So now I will hit run. Just to see, in support vector machine, model is support vector machine, training accuracy 60 is this, testing accuracy is this. Suppose here, if I will append, so one point it have written. So another results. So this way. Just I copied, I paste here. So what I did, this output is result underscore df. Suppose this output, suppose I will append here. Suppose this is a df underscore 2. So results underscore df dot append. So what will append? So what is the value of results underscore df underscore? ये सब के रन हवा टिके पुणी your result, the result underscore df, but I have written results. Okay. Just now I hope everybody got clarity. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ବୁଝେଇ ଦଉଛି ତ ମୁଁ କଣ କଲି ନା ଯୋଉ ଲଜିଷ୍ଟିକ ରିଗ୍ରେସନ ର ଆଉଟପୁଟ ଟାକୁ ମୁଁ ଆପେଣ୍ଡ କରି ଦେଇଛି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି ଲଜିଷ୍ଟିକ ରିଗ୍ରେସନ ର ଆଉଟପୁଟ ଟା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଲଜିଷ୍ଟିକ ରିଗ୍ରେସନ ର ଆଉଟପୁଟ ଟା କୋଉଥିରେ ଷ୍ଟୋର ହେଇଛି ନା result underscore df variable ବା ଏଇଟା ଡାଟା ଫ୍ରେମ ଯୋଉଠି ବୁଝିନ ହଉଛି ପଚାରିବ ମତେ ଲଜିଷ୍ଟିକ ରିଗ୍ରେସନ ର ଆଉଟପୁଟ ଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡାଟା ଫ୍ରେମ ଆକାରରେ ମୁଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଛି that data frame name is result underscore df से result underscore df टाको मु एटी append करदेली तो मु लिखिली आउ गोटे वेरिएबल टोटल टा गोटे पे वेरिएबल नै गेली results underscore df underscore 2 equals to result underscore df. Result underscore df होची the value of result underscore df, that is the output of a logistic regression dot append. Append माने add होगा append एटा कोन ना the value of results underscore df underscore 1, right? So ignore index equals to true means index value. Suppose this is 0 1 in this way it will come. So what is the value of results underscore df underscore 2? So गोटे डाटा फ्रेम में रखिबो तने हमें लास्ट को नेक्स्ट एल्गोरिथम पकेबा गोटे लास्ट गोटे आउटपुट रखिबा. This is model training accuracy testing accuracy. Now my this output variable is results underscore df underscore 2. ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଲଗୋରିଦମ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପକେଇବି ନେକ୍ସଟ ଆଲଗୋରିଦମ ପୁଣି ରେଜଲ୍ଟସ underscore df underscore 2 କୁ append କରିଦେଲେ ଏକାଥରେ ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଏକାଥରେ ଗୋटे ଆଉଟପୁଟ ରେ ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ ରଖିବି. That means what I am trying, I am finding training accuracy and testing accuracy after creating the model. Then I am finding what is the value of a accuracy score of training accuracy score over testing. Clear? Give a response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will create model. Now, what two algorithms completed? One is logistic regression, another is support vector machine. Now I will create a decision tree. So just to see how to create a decision tree model, create a decision tree model. So from sklearn, okay, dot tree, okay, import decision tree classifier. Just to see your node from sklearn. So Kaggle we will see, okay, same things, same point dot tree import decision tree classifier. So this point we will find, in this way we will get. Then using random forest we will see, we will get. Then here this model we will get, and this is the output. This is my output. So see in my decision tree. So now suppose obj1. Let my object name is obj1. This is on class name. This is on tree classifier. Classifier parenthesis. Okay, object name equals to class name parenthesis. This object representing decision tree model. Now I will hit run. Okay, now I will fit obj1 dot fit function. Okay, obj1 dot fit, what I have to take, extrain data and void train data. Same point we are repeating. Now I got the result. Now this is called as what? Decision tree. Trained decision tree model. Trained the model. So this is how a decision tree model became intelligent. Now I will predict. So predict is what? Over train data and test data. Suppose train underscore score underscore decision tree. Train score, training accuracy. Train under, it is a variable. ତମେ ଯାହା ନିଅ, ଏଠି ରାମଦୁଆ ସମୟ ଯାହା ନେଲେ ଚଳିବ, ବଟ୍ ଏମିତି କିଛି ଲେଖୁଥିବ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଟିକେ ଜାଣି ହଉଥିବ, ଟିକେ ମାନେ ହଁ ଏଟା ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା। So object name is obj1 dot predict within bracket x underscore train. So what is the value of train underscore score underscore decision tree? Output variable. So ଏତିକି ପାଇଲେ। Similarly testing accuracy ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି ମୁଁ ନଉଛି test underscore score underscore decision tree equals to obj1, model name is obj1 dot predict, same things. Here I will pass x underscore test. So what is the value of test underscore score underscore decision tree? So model हां गाइस ये नेट कटि थला एबे ऑडिबल होची माय वॉइस इज ऑडिबल
Yes, sir.
तो मु आपको
Yes,
जेंत
sir.
लिखी y predicted ट्रेन डाटा नेली y predicted ट्रेन ये तो बहुत बड़ नाटा हे जाउची y predicted ट्रेन ऊपर y predicted PRED underscore ट्रेन डाटा ऊपर प्रेडिक्शन कर सिमिलरली y predicted test आर ना तुम जहा नहीं पारे वेरिएबल टा बट एमती किछि नौथु जन जानि जे देखि देले वेरिएबल ना जानि पड़े एटा ए स्कोर टा वर्तमान x ट्रेन को नहीं करे मॉडल प्रेडिक्शन रिजल्ट दला x टेस्ट डाटा को नहीं करे मॉडल प्रेडिक्शन now I will find the accuracy so from learn dot matrix import accuracy score okay so print ekatra print marks print koriya nole train accuracy and it what is the testing accuracy so here I will write training accuracy okay underscore decision tree equals to accuracy underscore score is a built-in function so एठी मु कोन नेबी ना जेतु मु ट्रेनिंग ऊपरे मॉडल x ट्रेन ऊपरे जो प्रेडिक्शन देला सेटा हमर कोथरे स्टोर हैला y underscore PRED underscore train त माने एठी मु नेली y train हमर आगु अछि आ मॉडल प्रेडिक्शन देला y underscore prediction underscore similarly testing accuracy test accuracy underscore 3 equals to accuracy underscore score the built-in function भितर पास करले y test comma then रखिले y underscore prediction underscore test okay तो मोटी पाइबी कोन ना print then accuracy underscore 3 and test underscore accuracy underscore 3. And so what is the value of training accuracy and what is the value of testing accuracy? So training accuracy 1.0% means 100%, 0.75 means 75%. কিন্তু testing accuracy টা considerable. So testing accuracy asila kete 75%. So amaro जो problem task अछि heart disease prediction तो जो data set को नहीं करे आमे algorithm implement करूछे तो को algorithm implement वर्तमान कले ना decision tree तो हमें पाइले टेस्टिंग एक्यूरेसी 75% ट्रेनिंग एक्यूरेसी 100% यदि हमें ताको सेही भली एई भली आउटपुट देखियो चाहिबा टिके हमें पुणी सेमती करिया पड़िबो तो हमें एई भली आउटपुट देखियो चाहिबा तो गोटे डाटा फ्रेम से बनेया पड़िबो तो एटा को मु कोन करछना कॉपी कर दोछि तापर एटा को टेस्ट ना तो इट इज जस्ट खाली चेंज करिम खाली so df1 df2 जाइछि गोटे वेरिएबल df3 तो data frame so within double quote I wrote decision tree then training accuracy ro value hella train underscore accuracy underscore tree testing accuracy value ro variable hochi test underscore accuracy underscore tree then this then सेटा को रिजल्ट एटा को मो को करबी ना अपेंड करबी तो अपेंड करिया पे हेले तो मते आउटे वेरिएबल नेली 4 तले पूर्व आउटपुट रो वेरिएबल ता छ रिजल्ट्स अंडरस्कोर df results underscore df underscore 2. So results underscore df underscore 2 dot append. So total of 4. तो भितर कौन पास है ना results underscore df underscore 1. So ଯେମିତି ତମେ append କରୁଥିଲ results underscore df underscore 1 ସେମିତି ତମେ append କରିବ. I got logistic regression, this support vector message, this is on this. So give the response. So I created a new data frame. Let my first decision tree ro jo output baharila. Training accuracy baharila 1.0, testing accuracy baharila 75%. तो से ताकू नहीं करी मोटे डाटा फ्रेम तैयारी करली जोतरे कि मु आउटपुट रखिबी से डाटा फ्रेम रो ना देली results underscore df underscore 3 डाटा फ्रेम रो ना देली results underscore df underscore 3 तो pd डॉट डाटा फ्रेम फंक्शन गला तो भीतर मु कोन करली ना डिसीजन ट्री लिखली डिसीजन ट्री आसिला train accuracy tree means the value of a train accuracy tree, test accuracy tree means the value of a testing accuracy. Columns equals to this is a column model, training accuracy column, testing accuracy column. So how would a data frame let my data frame name is results underscore df underscore 4 पूर्वर output previous output data frame ना था results underscore df2 append ये जो output address वाला बस what is the value of this? So give a response.
Yes, sir.
So now हमें इतने की पाइले सारी दो ताले रैंडम फॉरेस्ट क्रिएट कर दो ताले और कहीं और के 10 मिनट टाइम नहीं जो नोट आउटसाइड ये है लानी पता भी नहीं गला आपको रैंडम फॉरेस्ट तो एनसेम्बल थिला जो रैंडम फॉरेस्ट रो भी नहीं जीवा तो सी टिके मने पकाओ रैंडम फॉरेस्ट क्रिएट a random forest model पढ़ाई ची let obj2 suppose equals to random forest classifier. So within bracket I mean it's n estimator equals to 1000 random state equals to 42. Random state any integer number हमें 10 टा प्रोवाइड नहीं करथलो n estimator माने n estimator सोच गोटे कीवर्ड तो माने मैं 1000 टिके मने पकाओ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रैंडम फॉरेस्ट मल्टीपल डिसीजन ट्री को नेकी गोटे फॉरेस्ट हुए तो एठी 1000 लिखली माने 1000 टा डिसीजन ट्री तो गोटे डिसीजन ट्री रो गोटे आउटपुट बाहरे तो इन मल्टीपल 1000 टा डिसीजन बाहरिबो ता थ्रू जोटा मेजॉरिटी जो आउटपुट टा मेजॉरिटी अछि दैट इज द मेन आउटपुट ऑफ रैंडम फॉरेस्ट. Now I will hit run एगला obj2.fit function रे हमें जानि छै extend ए पार्ट कॉमन चले छै y train तो fit हे गला fit हला पर हमर कोन predict. Okay, so now it is a fit. Now बर्तन predict हबो so y underscore predict underscore random forest. So y predicted forest underscore trail. Training data पर हम prediction करेंगे equals to obj2 model name dot predict function. So x train data prediction करो. What is the value of y underscore prediction underscore forest underscore trail? This is the output variable. So similarly, हमें test data पर prediction करेंगे. Let my output variable is y prediction underscore forest underscore test equals to object name is obj2 dot predict within bracket I wrote x underscore test. So what is the value of y underscore predict underscore forest underscore test? So same concept, x train upare model prediction dela, x test upare model prediction dela. Now I will find the accuracy. So accuracy mo lekhuni time he galani, so test mark doche. So accuracy score, so from scalar method matrix input accuracy score, so accuracy score train underscore accuracy dot forest suppose. Similarly this variable is forest. So here y train, y prediction कौन निया इतला forest underscore train और सब variable ना इतला forest underscore test. Train accuracy, what is the value of train accuracy forest and what is the value of a test accuracy forest. So it will give training accuracy and testing accuracy. So I got here one same training accuracy is 1.0% and 83% is testing accuracy. But strictly speaking, I am saying always for testing accuracy is important. Testing accuracy upon client software depend. Same जिनसो बर्तन जो output टा बाहरिला हमें ताको कौन करिबा ना in the form of a data frame. In the form of a data frame we will represent. तो हमें कौन करिबा ना एटा को सिंपली कर दबा, just paste कर दबा, I copied and I pasted here. So latest la df4 make it df5. So this is I can write random forest and our score hella train accuracy forest and our score hella test accuracy forest. So clear. Then now another data frame 6. Okay, so latest output is what? Latest output df4. So 4 dot append results df5. So is the value of 6. So see, so this is my output model. 4 algorithms I implemented: logistic regression, support vector machine, decision tree, random forest. I got training accuracy in logistic regression 86%. This is 66%, and decision tree 100%, random forest 100%. But testing accuracy, logistic regression 83%. Then support vector machine 67%, decision tree is 75%, and this is 83%. So 83 at 835165 835165. So what we observed particularly in heart disease prediction among 4 algorithms, since logistic regression and random forest algorithm having testing accuracy is 83%, so we can implement so logistic regression or random forest. So हमें यही observe कलो either logistic regression implement है परिबो and random forest भी implement है लेकिन there is no problem. Clear? Give a response.
Yes, sir.
So this is the clear.
Yes, sir.
तो एटा बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हे गला. कोरिलेशन मैट्रिक्स टा मो एटा किछि आगरे संपर्क नै लेनदेन नै एटा केतला आउ केतला कोन एटा किछि लेनदेन सेल्स प्रोजेक्ट. ओके मो ये प्रोजेक्ट टा उटा कथा करूची तो हमर silontutorial.com रे छाडी दोउची एटा को ये करि कि तापरे ये करबा आ नै जो कोडिंग टा नै जबो. तो आमे एटे देखिले गोटे डाटा सेट नेले गोटे प्रॉब्लम टास्क नेले गोटे प्रॉब्लम टास्क ऊपरे हमें कौन कले चारिटा एल्गोरिथम इंप्लीमेंट कले. ऑल 4 algorithms are coming under one classification and we got this result. किंतु मन रखिबो टेस्टिंग एक्यूरेसी इज इंपोर्टेंट. ठीक अछि रोहिल तले थैंक यू.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
ଯଦି କାହାର କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ ଅଛି ପଚାରି ପାରିବ ହେଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା କରିବ ଏଟା this is a project so ରହିଲି ତାହେଲେ।